So meditation can be really uncomfortable sometimes for the body and for the mind. When you start to get really galactic in your meditations, you're going to cool places, you're feeling new high vibrations, moving into new levels of consciousness. It's Bombino, and this is the place you're meant to be if you are ready to consciously create a life of freedom. It's my favorite time of the year because it's Freedom Project time. The Freedom Project is my 6-month virtual program that shows you how to step into the free you so that you can create the life that you are meant for. So if you're ready to go after your dreams, you're ready to step into your power and move to the next level, don't forget to check out the Freedom Project because doors are closing soon and you do not want to miss out on this next adventure. So what are we going to talk about here today? Today I'm going to show you 3 steps to making meditation more comfortable. So meditation can be really uncomfortable sometimes for the body and for the mind. So I'm going to talk to you about a couple things that are going to help you make it more comfortable because I know a lot of people get really uncomfortable. It's almost like you can get itchy when you're in meditation. And I want to be honest with you. Some of that discomfort you feel, mental, emotional, and physical in meditation is actually energy that needs to be cleared. It's actually just showing you that your meditation practice is even more important for you to do than you realize. And meditation is a great place for you to clear that energy. So how do you stay the course even when it gets uncomfortable? So here's a couple of tips that I'm going to give you to support you in making your meditation practice more and more comfortable. All right, step 1 is going to be actually to stretch, to do yoga, to move your body. Yoga was actually created to prepare us for meditation. Now, do you need to do a whole 60 to 90 minute yoga practice? No, if you can, great. I absolutely love it. But even 5 to 10 minutes of yoga before your meditation is going to prepare your mind for the meditation. It also prepares your body. So what happens is it physically opens up your body to get comfortable in order to be able to sit, and then also starts to move the energy in your body so that your mind can open up and be ready for your meditation. So step 1 is to move your body. Do some yoga, stretch it out, open up your body and mind before you sit. Step 2 is actually make your sitting more comfortable. So use a chair in your meditation to support you to make the practice more comfortable for your body. So a lot of times people are trying to sit in lotus. If you don't know what lotus is, don't worry about it. Or sitting cross-legged. That's great. That's part of the meditation practice, being able to sit for long and extended periods of times and what comes up in the ego and can we move beyond it? Yes, you can. I absolutely believe in you. But as you're building your practice and if you're feeling yourself really getting uncomfortable with the sitting, make your sitting more comfortable. It's that simple. You don't want to lie down though, because as your brainwaves slow down, you'll actually move into sleep if you lie down through your meditation. So you definitely want to sit. Use a chair, put a towel or a cushion underneath on the seat of that chair. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall, shoulders draw down and back. You can even engage your core a little bit to begin the practice in order to make the sitting more comfortable. That way, the meditation isn't starting to hurt your knees or your ankles as you're sitting and putting pressure when you're sitting cross-legged. So sit in a chair. Sounds simple, but get started with it now. Step number 3, and this is the most important of all, probably the most challenging of all to make your practice more comfortable. Do not judge. Do not judge. So don't expect your mind to completely clear. Do not expect yourself to move into enlightenment when you're first learning how to meditate or stepping into meditation. It takes a long time to start to slow down the mind. And even when you start to get really galactic in your meditations, you're going to cool places, you're feeling new high vibrations, moving into new levels of consciousness, crossing over the spiritual realm. Yes, those are all things that you have to look forward to. Even then, when you're starting to hit those places, you'll still have thoughts. You're just super detached from the thoughts. And how do we detach? It's through compassion. So do not judge. Do not expect your meditation to look and feel a certain way. Start by just showing up. You will still have thoughts throughout your meditation. I want to warn you about that. So don't expect yourself to be completely released and free of thoughts when you sit down to meditate. So step number 3, the most important of all, do not judge. And guess what? When you learn to do not judge in your meditation, you're going to take that out into the world with you. You're going to find yourself showing up so much more compassionate to yourself and so much more compassionate to all the people in your life. This is why meditation is important. It helps you step in to the person that you are meant to be, your true self. So keep meditating, keep watching these videos, keep stretching yourself even when it gets uncomfortable, and use these 3 steps to hopefully make your practice more and more comfortable for you so that you can keep showing up. So I'd love to see your comments below. Which step are you going to practice? Which one's new for you? What are you going to try out? Let me know what interests you today. Remember to like this video and then go ahead and hit subscribe so that you can get more fun and juicy tips from me. We're talking about meditation, spirituality, personal development, how to break free. So stay committed to your next breakthrough, because with each breakthrough you become more and more free. And when you are a free you can fully give the gift of you to this world. And believe me, we need you.